Imagine having the peace of mind knowing your home or business is under constant watch, safeguarding your loved ones and valuable assets. In this video, we'll guide you through the essential steps to install a security camera system, ensuring you get the most out of your investment. First, let's talk about planning your camera placement. Strategically position cameras to cover entry points like doors, windows, and garages. Next, gather your tools and equipment. You'll need a drill, screws, anchors, a ladder, and the appropriate cables for wired systems. Now, it's time to install the cameras. Secure the camera mounts using screws and anchors, then attach the cameras, ensuring they are pointed in the right direction. For wired systems, carefully run the cables back to your network video recorder, NVR, or digital video recorder, DVR. Connect and power the system. For wired cameras, connect the cables to the recording device and power them using adapters or PoE. For wireless cameras, follow the setup instructions to connect to your Wi-Fi network. Set up the recording system based on your preferences, whether it's continuous recording, motion detection, or scheduled recording. Finally, test each camera's positioning, connection, and recording. Make any necessary adjustments to optimize the camera's field of view and recording quality. Need professional help? SecureView Security Cameras offers expert installation services to ensure your system is set up for optimal performance. Visit our online store at www.secureviewcameras.com for all your security camera needs.